Good morning, guys. Welcome to Geometry Virtual SC. My name is Pierre Oliveras, and I'll be your teacher for this class. And I've been doing this for a while now. I'm a math teacher, obviously, and I teach in a regular school here in Greenville. But I'm making this video for you, just for you to have a successful, good start of this virtual SC. Okay, so let me start it. Here's my number that you can text me, or you can always email me if you have any question. Okay, I might not be able to answer you directly, but please or right away give me a good ample time, at least within 24 hours to respond to you. If not, then shoot me a text again or email. Maybe I did not receive it, or I'm in the middle of something. But I will do my best Monday to Friday, 7 to 9 a.m. and p.m. to respond to every text or email that I receive. Make sure when you text me, you put your name so I know how to respond, because there are things that some I need to look at your screen or your class, exactly your file, in order for me to understand what you're asking. Okay, this virtual SC, it has prepared everything. The notes, the videos, the explanation are there, the practices are there. So a lot of my kids from the years I've been doing this have finished this 1 year without emailing me or anything at all. But I would love to you guys to email me, ask question, to clarify things, and that's why I'm here for. If you have encountered a problem on a quiz or in a note, I'll be happy to help you, but I cannot answer for you some of the question because you have to do it on your own. Maybe for the notes, yes, to explain it to you. Maybe taking after you take a test and you did not do well, or you want to learn more about it, even you did good, and you commit a simple mistake, I can explain those things to you. It helps me a lot when you take a screenshot of the problem and then email it to me so I can make a video of that one. And again, if you text it to me, make sure you have a name, but email will be better because I can always make a video for you. Um, Next is that I need you to understand that I'm gonna be only available, in the early morning or late in the evening. I can still email me still, even the afternoon. I'll do my best to respond to you as much as I can. Okay. Number two, you have to understand that you have really have to read carefully here, everything as much as possible. Like from the pacing guide, unit one, like this one here. I have opened the account, but I have opened the class already for you. Even even the it's supposed to be open on the 14th, but I opened it last night, so it'll give you all the time to finish it. You have to finish the course, otherwise the points will be against you. So the sooner, the faster you work, the better it's going to be. So again, like I said a while ago, read carefully, and I'll explain to you why here. Because here you can see some students emailed me already, Mr. O, I cannot move to Unit 1. Because when you go to course overview and introduction, it says there you have to go through all these things. And look at this one here. Are you ready for geometry? It says here that you have to read all these things, okay? You must answer all questions in the lesson and must earn 100 before moving on. You have unlimited attempt on this assignment, and so on and so forth. Until you don't get 100, even you get a 99, or anything that is not 100, you will not allowed to move on to the next section or unit 1 until you get 100. Those little things will hurt you or will help you. Will help you because you know what to expect. Will hurt you because you will realize, oh, I got a 95. Why I couldn't go to the unit one or the next level? And you text me or email me, I did not respond right away, you lose some time there. But if you read it completely and carefully, and you retake it until you get 100%, then you move on right away there. So these are the little things that might help you or hurt you. I am suggesting you read it carefully. Okay, you can email me, I'll respond to you, but you might waste some hours there or a day. And remember that we only have a good, 8 weeks. Next is that uh like I said, you have to finish this as soon as you can. I suggest also to have notes, copy some stuff that will help you, but not a lot, because you can access the old notes. Again, like I said a while ago, read. There's also some item here that you gonna need. You have to watch the entire video before it opens the next section. There are items here that you need a compass, ruler. Part of the project, you're gonna use a ruler or a compass. If you don't follow the direction, then you're not gonna get the full credit. So those things, will we gotta be careful. You gotta read it. This program has been enhanced, studied by professional, so they know what they stated there. They know what they expect you to do. Okay. uh Due dates. Every chapter has due dates. Okay. Now is June 10. You can start and finish this right away. Be ahead as much as you can. Be on time. Here's what's gonna happen. On June 21, I expect you to finish Unit 1. On June 22nd, every assignment that you did not finish for Unit 1 will be marked zero temporarily. So, for example, today is June 21st, your grade is 90, but you're not finished with Unit 1. By June 22nd, those will be marked zero by the system because it's late already. But once you made them up, once you complete them, even it's past already the due date, it will go back to the original score that you made. It's only giving you the worst grade that you can get if you don't complete it. Okay? So expect it will be marked zero after the due date. So what's the good thing? The good thing about this, if we are doing our work on the due date or ahead of time, we will not get a temporary zero here. Okay, so every assignment have due dates, so it's a guide basically. You will see here, so on Friday you have to do 1.1, practice 1.1, 1.2, 1.2. Then by lesson 1.3 is June 19. If you notice, we don't expect you on the Saturday or Sunday on the weekend. But technically, you can use those time to complete an assignment and be ahead. So think about that. Make sure that you do your best to be ahead of it. Okay. Test. The test only allows you, I think, 2 attempts. So make sure before you do the second attempt, make sure you have reviewed and studied, and then take the second attempt. Now, what happens if you don't get a passing grade on the test? If you don't get a passing grade on the test, let's say in Unit 1 you get a 50, then Unit 2 will open for you. And then on Unit 2, it will not open its test because you failed Unit 1. Basically, it will not open the next test, the next chapter test, until you pass Unit 1 test. So, what do you do when you have already attempted twice? That means I'm going to require you to do something, maybe do another review or something for Unit 1, and then I will allow you to for two more attempts until you pass it. So in other words, my suggestion, when you failed one or twice, attempt on a unit 1 test or any test, make sure you review first, and then take the take another necessary attempt, and you have to request that from me. The third and the fourth attempt, you're gonna email me about it, and I have to give you a work possibly, or we can look at the notes together or something like that. And then you can go to the second chapter in order for you to take it. So in other words, just make sure you review before. If you fail the first test, the first attempt, that's fine, I get it. But the second one, make sure you do something about it. You have to review. You have to improve. Okay. Next, again, the projects. Read the direction carefully. Read what's being asked. There's a statement there. Let me show it to you here. Let's say project here. The activity. Okay. So not available unless any part of the activity in Master 1.1, 1.2 is marked complete. Okay, so you have to complete that one before the project opens. So here in this project, there's a project specific. Make sure you read this carefully and the entire thing here, not only the introduction. Before you submit to me your project, make sure you have read this one. And then there's a forum. You will reply to another student's project by start stating direction of what street walkways you would need to get, and so on and so forth. Okay, that is also a simple question that is part of the criteria. If you don't have that one, then you get deduction. So I need you to read the direction carefully. You need to upload your photos and your project forum, and part of it is that you were required in the introduction that when you submit your project, upload it using a JPEG or PDF. Okay, the new cell phone software, when you upload it through here, it does not read it. So make sure you upload it with JPEG or PDF file. Okay, you cannot email it to me. You have to upload it here. All right. There you go. I hope this should be a good initial video to help you to start your first few chapters of this class. And as always, you're free to email or text me, but make sure hopefully you watch this video first before starting it. And again, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.